जी प्रेस मीट ठरयल्या ताजे कारण
ये आपको कर लीजिए। नहीं वो हो जाए।
सो आजची जी प्रेस मीट आसा
जाता है को
हय जायगा आजची प्रेस मीट आसा ती ताजे कारण अशें की गोंयान आतां म्हळ्यार पणजेन इंडिया इंटरनॅशनल सायन्स फेस्टिवल म्हणून जावपाचो आसा आनी ताजी म्हायती दिवपा खातीर म्हूण आमी आज हांगा आयल्यात. तर आमच्या बरोबर आसात डॉक्टर जावेद बेग, हे NCPOR वास्को थंयचे डायरेक्टर आसात, एक्टींग डायरेक्टर आसात. आनी आमचे बरोबर आसात जयंतराव सहस्रबुद्धे, ते विज्ञान भारतीचे नॅशनल ऑर्गनायझींग सेक्रेटरी आसात. आनी फुडें आसात डॉक्टर तारीक थॉमस, IAS, हे हांगासरले COE आसात एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटीचे, आनी अदीक राष्ट्रीय पातळीचेर स्टियरिंग कमिटीचे सदस्य आसात. आनी गोवा सरकारच्या वतीन ते सगळो मॅटर हे करीत आसात. हो कार्यक्रम जो ठरला तो 10 डिसेंबर ते 13 डिसेंबर ह्या 4 दिसांनी जातलो. आनी हाजे खातीर हो ऑर्गनायज केला तो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी, गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया, मागीर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ अर्थ सायन्सेस ते, मागीर CSIR लॅबोरेटरीज DBT, हाजे बरोबर इस्रोय आसा, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी आसा, DRDO आसा, आनी गोवा सरकार आसा मुख्य म्हळ्यार. आनी ह्या सगळ्या कार्यक्रमाचो नॉलेज पार्टनर ही विज्ञान भारती. अशा पद्दतीन हो कार्यक्रम जावपाचो आसा. आनी अदीक म्हायती तुमकां जावेद सर दितले. जावेद सर, वूड यू प्लीज.
सब प्रिय साथियों, गुड आफ्टरनून. ये आपको बताया है उन्होंने कि एक कार्यक्रम किस लिए किया जा रहा है, तो इसको मैं आपको और थोड़ा सा डिटेल में बताना चाहूँगा, और इसको मैं अंग्रेज़ी में और हिंदी में बता सकता हूँ. ये जो है ये 7th एडिशन है, the 7th edition of India International Science Festival, which came into existence in 2015, will be held at Panjim, Goa, with effect from 10th of December to 13th of December 2021. We generally call it as IISF for convenience. IISF is for science, technology, innovation, and entrepreneurship. This mega science festival will be organized and is being organized by Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Sciences, in collaboration with the Vijnan Bharati. The central theme of IISF 2021, because it's being held in 2021, is celebrating creativity in science, technology, and innovation for showcasing it in India. The Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawant ji, will grace the occasion as guest of honor. The event will be inaugurated by the Union Minister for Earth Sciences, Shri Jitendra Singh ji, in graceful presence of Honorable Minister of State for Tourism, Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri Shripad Naik ji. The event will also be graced by various dignitaries and senior bureaucrats such as Dr. Ravi Chandran, who is the Secretary for Ministry of Earth Sciences, Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, who is the Director General of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and Secretary DSIR, and Dr. Rajesh S. Gokhale, Secretary, Department of Biotechnology. The Government of India, under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has laid the foundation for making India a global scientific leader. And IISF 2021 will be celebrated on the 5 pillars of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. In IISF 2021, there will be events under 12 broad verticals: Science Literature Festival, Science Village Festival, Festival of Games and Toys, Eco Festival, National Social Organization and Institutions Meet, International Science Film Festival, GIST Festival, New Age Technology Shows. The most riveting highlight of the festival will be Guinness World Record, in which 3,500 students shall participate physically and 6,000 virtually. The event shall be consecutively be held for a period of 3 days on undermentioned topics: rainwater harvesting, longest radio telescope assembling, resolve for Gaganyaan. Approximately 10,000 students from various parts of the country will participate during this 3-day event. As a prelude to the main event, various government machineries and concerned departments are organizing outreach program for the entire nation. And with all this, whatever we are doing here, with all the scientific ministries, it wouldn't have been possible without the support of Government of Goa. So we have tremendous support from Government of Goa for all these things, and under the able guidance of Vigyan Bharati. So that's it. Thank you very much. Over to sir.
Namaste. My colleague and friend Dr. Javed ji has explained the details about this entire event. But the main objective of this event is celebration of science. Our country is known all over the world as a country of festivals. But there is no such festival of science which is presently in our country. So we initiated this idea, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Sciences, in collaboration with Vigyan Bharati. We thought of conducting such science festival first time in 2015. We thought that it should be an annual event. So we started with the journey, and now we have reached the 7th year of this journey. So 7th edition of IISF will be rolled out now from 10th of December till 13th of December. As this is not a conference of science, so that kind of seriousness will not be there in this program. So here people will come together and they will celebrate science, means they will try to experience the happiness of doing science. That is what is the objective of this entire festival. So many such programs, normally which when we say that we are celebrating something, in that manner programs will be here in this festival, and many such entertaining programs have been thought of to be a part of this festival. One such program is, as he rightly said, Guinness Book of World Record, and we have connected this with the theme of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, because our Prime Minister has said that we need to celebrate this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav based on 5 pillars, and he narrated those pillars as freedom struggle, that is the first pillar. Second one is ideas at 75. Third one is achievements at 75. Fourth one is actions at 75. And fifth one is resolves at 75. So based on these 5 pillars for the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we have designed all the programs. So one of the greatest achievements of our country in last 74 years is the greatest telescope which is based on radio technology. So it is called a giant meter wave radio telescope. So this is the unique facility available in our country for the entire world. So scientists from different parts of our world, they come to India to observe universe through this telescope. So this is one of the finest facility available in this world, in today's world. So we are showcasing that India's prowess in this field of science and technology by celebrating this particular achievement through this Guinness Book of World Record. So our young minds, next generation of our country, they will be assembling a scaled model of GMRT over here, and they will celebrate that yes, India has achieved great things in this journey of 74 years. So likewise, we are going to celebrate Indian achievements in science and technology. So many such things will be there. They will be part of this festival of science. So people are coming together from different parts of the country. As we know that just now we are coming out of this period of pandemic. Things are getting normal, fortunately. So we thought that last year's IISF was entirely on digital platform. This year we thought that it should be in a hybrid mode. So the guiding principle which we considered was this, that it should be 25% physical and 75% digital. So 75% of the delegates will join this festival through digital platforms. So this is how it is going to roll out in these 4 days. And as it has been mentioned that Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, who is the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, he will come to Goa to inaugurate this function. Then Shripad ji Naik will be joining him in this inaugural function. And of course, the government of Goa and naturally the Chief Minister of Goa will grace this inaugural function with his presence. And it has been mentioned that we have received tremendous support from the government of Goa for the organization of this entire event. So many things are going to come up like this, but I would like to mention one particular thing, one program of this entire event, that is Mega Science and Technology Expo. This is one of the programs of 12 programs of this event. So this expo is going to showcase Indian achievements in the domain of science and technology. Several defense equipments, they are they are going to come over here in this expo, like BrahMos, Agni 5. These are the greatest examples of Indian achievements in the domain of defense. So we could achieve these things through our scientific fraternity. So we are proud of it, and we are going to showcase such things over there. Our ISRO has achieved many things. So we are going to have one greater program which may unfold in future in next couple of years, that is Mission Aditya. So we are actually marching towards sun, and the yarn which is going to take us India towards sun is Gaganyaan. So we are going to showcase the great model of Gaganyaan over here in this expo, and this expo is free for all. Our thought is this, that people of Goa should come over here and they should understand and experience what kind of Indian achievements are there in this domain of science and technology. They will be exposed to it. They can come over here and they can explore many things, because all the departments of government of India are related to science and technology. They are going to be a part of it. Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Indian Council of Medical Research, CSR, DBT, DST, and many such departments of government of India, along with different departments related to science and technology of government of Goa, they will be showcasing many things. Just now I have come to know that Department of Biodiversity or Biodiversity Board, they are going to showcase what kind of biodiversity is there in this region of Western Ghats. How we have preserved our biodiversity through Devrais, that is sacred groves. So many such things will be there as a part of Expo. people will come and they will understand this is what our science and technology is, and how we are at par with all leading nations of this world. So that is what we are going to showcase through this mega science and technology expo. So this is in nutshell, and I will make an appeal through all of you to the people of Goa that they should use this opportunity. They should come over here and they need to experience what kind of achievements and advancements of our country in the field of science and technology. So I sincerely make an appeal through all of you to people of Goa that this is a great opportunity for them. This is the most opportune time and they should not miss this opportunity, because as we always say that it is not that we are going to some temple, but actually temple deity is coming to us. So it is something like this: people or our scientists and what they have achieved by doing science, they are going to take those things to Goa, and that will be showcased over here in this great mega technology science and technology expo. So in my opinion, it's a great opportunity, and it's my sincere appeal to people of Goa that they should not miss this opportunity to experience the great achievements of Indian science and technology. That's all. Namaste to you.
Thank you, Chanji, Javedji, and Swasti. So, as Swasti was saying, of course, I'm here as CEO ESG, but also as Secretary Science and Technology. So, Government of Goa actually is partnering in this, and जैसे सुहास जी ने भी बोला and जैन जी ने भी बोला, this is the 7th edition. So this is something which is happening annually, and I think it is very very good when Government of Goa got an opportunity that this event could happen here. The Honorable CM said definitely we will provide complete support. And जैसे जैन जी ने बोला है, हमारे students के लिए especially इस type का event, so there are different kind of events. We have the mega exhibition is there, so that will be open to the public. Rest of the events, especially students will be coming. So most of the other events are focused on students who are coming and also the experts who are coming from outside. So इस type के जो event and exposure है हमारे students को जो मिलेगा, I think that is something that is not to be missed. So again I also request, like जैन जी ने बोला कि we should, of course we have tied up with the Department of Education, Technical Education and all, Government of Goa, that our students can come and see, in fact even participate in the Guinness World Records का जो event होने वाला है. तो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो डेफिनेटली, बट इवन पब्लिक के लिए जो मेगा एग्जीबिशन दैट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट दैट पीपल शुड कम एंड सी दिस. इट्स मे बी नॉट लाइक इफ कि ये तो हर साल हो रहा है. दिस इज समथिंग मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर इट्स गोइंग टू गो समवेयर एल्स. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड मोमेंट फॉर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा, एंड फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा साइड all departments, so I'm not speaking from ESG alone, all other departments including many departments which I see, we are extending full cooperation so that the event becomes good. My request to all of you also is ki spread this message so that this unique opportunity can be utilized to all, by all. And any questions we can take from
Yeah,
any
this
of
is
you.
an international festival. So any international scientists are coming here, or any interaction program with scientists for such kind of program is there?
Yeah.
And where this festival is happening?
See, there are three main venues for this festival. One is this one, the complex of EAG. Then one event is going to take place in Menezes Braganza Hall, and all other mega things of this entire event, they will be there on parade ground as well as SAG ground. So these are the main venues, along with of course football ground and Kala Academies. Darya Sangam part is also involved in this. So these are the main places where we are going to organize these events. Regarding this international connection of this festival is, we are trying to connect Indian diaspora working in the domain of science and technology to this festival, so that through this festival they will be able to utilize their own skills, knowledge for the development of our country, that is their own motherland. So there is a program called as GIST. GIST is an acronym. It is nothing but a Global Indian Scientists and Technocrats Forum. So through this forum, we are going to connect people of Indian origin living abroad to their own country. as Dr. Mashelkar, who is the son of this soil, Goa, he always says that you can take Indians out of India, but you cannot take India out of Indians. So with this feeling, they are living abroad, they are doing great things in the domain of science and technology. So we are making an appeal to them that utilize your skills, utilize your knowledge for the benefit of your own motherland. So this component of this festival, GIST festival, is a part of this mega event, and it is going to connect people all over the world, mainly Indians living abroad and working in the domain of science and technology. So that is the connection of this festival at global level. And I will tell you one small information. It is not small in that sense. It gives a great indication of the success of this festival. Till this point of time, we have received 740 films for this science film festival component of this event from 70 countries. So that is an international connection. So the message has gone in many countries of the world. They are participating in this festival through digital platforms. So that is how this festival has reached many countries in this world. So this is one of the brightest examples of the spread of this mega event. 740 films from 70 countries. I am just citing one example of one of the events.
बट इवेंट वाइज आपका जो क्वेश्चन था कि इवेंट वाइज लोकेशन वाइज लाइक मैंने जस्ट प्रकांड साइंस लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल सो आई थिंक वी विल शेयर इन द प्रेस रिलीज इटसेल्फ विल शेयर कि कौन से लोकेशन में सो मैंने जस्ट प्रकांड में लिटरेचर आई थिंक यू विल रिक्वायर दैट यहाँ पे देयर आर डिफरेंट लोकेशंस विद इन दैट तो साइंस फिल्म फेस्टिवल रहेगा जो गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है दैट विल बी इन द परेड ग्राउंड सो वी विल शेयर दैट लिस्ट विद यू इन द प्रेस रिलीज दैट डिटेल लिस्ट वी विल गिव द लिस्ट
One more thing, very interesting part of
this application.
yes we will circulate
Yeah. I think there is a program called as New Age Technologies, Augmented Reality, Virtual Reality, and NCPOR is has come out with a great example. I request Dr. Javed ji to share that kind of experience which people are going to get through that virtual simulation.
So first of all, I'm sure you are aware about NCPOR, National Center for Polar and Ocean Research, which was earlier known as National Center for Antarctic and Ocean Research. So it is situated in Goa. It's an organization, a central government organization for Goans and for the entire scientific community. तो ये एक बहुत हमारे लिए प्राइड की बात है कि गोवा से हम लोग ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, और ये आज से नहीं 1981 से उसको गोवा से हम लोग ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर एक्सपेडिशन एंटार्क्टिका के जाते रहे, आप लोग बहुत सारे लोग जानते होंगे कि वो एक्सपेडिशन होते हैं। एंटार्क्टिका हर आदमी तो जा नहीं सकता है, सो व्हाट हैज बीन डन दैट वर्चुअल रियलिटी हैज बीन क्रिएटेड कि उसके लिए आपको एक स्पेशल टाइप का चश्मा होता है और वो बना करके तो वो NCPOR यहाँ पर दिखाएगा आपको। 3 तरह के वो हैं कि अगर आप एंटार्क्टिका में हैं, जो हमारा न्यू स्टेशन भारती स्टेशन है, इफ यू आर देयर then you can walk in Bharati station, around Bharati station, you can see penguins, you can touch, you will be given a gloves, you'll be given a kind of goggles which is a virtual reality, then you can do things, you can move around easily the way you want, you will be able to pick up stones if you want, you will be able to hop a crevasse, तो आपको एग्जैक्ट फीलिंग आएगा कि आप एंटार्क्टिका में कैसे वहाँ पर साइंटिस्ट हमारे रह करके काम करते हैं। दूसरा होगा अबाउट आर्कटिक, आर्कटिक में भी एक हमारा स्टेशन है कि वहाँ पर किस तरह से काम होता है। ओशन में कि ओशनोग्राफिक एक्सपेडिशंस जो होते हैं उसमें किस तरह से काम होता है, यू विल गेट अ फील कि कैसे जाते हैं लोग, किस तरह से काम करते हैं। तो ये वर्चुअल रियलिटी दिस विल बी ओपन टू पब्लिक, उसमें लोग जा करके ऑफ कोर्स ये जो है एक एक आदमी के लिए एक एक वो देखने के लिए कम से कम हमें 4-5 मिनट का टाइम लगेगा, तो थोड़ा रश ज़्यादा होगा तो वहाँ पे शायद आपको रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा कि नाम लिख दें, थोड़ा वेटिंग पीरियड होगा। तो ये बच्चों के लिए, बडिंग साइंटिस्ट के लिए, इनके लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण होगा। दूसरी चीज़ कि एंटार्क्टिका में भारत के 2 स्टेशन हैं, एक मैत्री और एक भारतीय स्टेशन। ये दोनों स्टेशन अगर आप एंटार्क्टिका को सोचें कि हाउ बिग एंटार्क्टिका इज, ये दोनों स्टेशन दे आर अबाउट 2300 किलोमीटर अपार्ट इन एंटार्क्टिका। तो इन दोनों स्टेशन पे हमारे साइंटिस्ट वहाँ पर साल भर रहते हैं, जबकि एंटार्क्टिका में about 3 months it's complete dark night hota hai, temperatures are very low, and 3 months of summer time when you have 24 hours of daylight. तो जो टीम वहाँ पर पूरे वक्त रहती है और वहाँ पे काम करते हैं, तो वो टीम वहाँ भारती स्टेशन में मौजूद है, मैत्री में भी एक रहती है, उससे यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट कम्युनिकेशन होगा. वहाँ पे साइंटिस्ट बैठ करके आपसे बात कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो स्कूल चिल्ड्रन हो. उसके लिए टाइम स्लॉट्स होगा, क्योंकि ये पीरियड है कि वहाँ अंटार्कटिका में इस वक्त काम चल रहा है, साइंटिफिक एक्टिविटी, तो वो पूरे दिन नहीं रह सकते हैं, बट देयर विल बी टाइम स्लॉट्स. उसमें वो लोग अवेलेबल होंगे कि अगर आपको उनके एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना है, उनसे पूछना है कि क्या वहाँ पे लग रहा है, क्या काम चल रहा है, किस तरह का है, चाहे वो बच्चे हैं, बड़े लोग हैं, कोई भी इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं यहाँ से. दैट विल बी अ वर्चुअल सेशन फॉर दैट.
कितने डेलीगेट का रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया है और स्टूडेंट को लाने के लिए कुछ इंतजाम किया गया है क्या सरकार की तरफ से?
डेलीगेट्स
अवश्य लगभग 2000 डेलीगेट्स रजिस्टर हो चुके हैं. हमने रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया है, 2000 से आगे नहीं बढ़ने दिया. और लगभग 17000 डेलीगेट्स है जो ऑनलाइन रजिस्टर हो चुके हैं. सो दे विल बी जॉइनिंग दिस प्रोग्राम थ्रू डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म. और शायद
के लिए-
डॉक्टर तारिक जी गोवा से कैसे बच्चे आने वाले हैं, इसमें जैसे बताया कि 1000 बच्चे गोवा से आएंगे जो छोटे छोटे गांव से आएंगे. उस कार्यक्रम का नाम साइंस विलेज फेस्टिवल ऐसा है. और लगभग 4000 बच्चे ये गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड होने वाला है, उसमें सम्मिलित होने वाले हैं. और ये सारे बच्चे अपने स्थान से निकलकर यहाँ तक पहुँचे, इसकी सारी व्यवस्था गोवा शासन ने की है. और बहुत सुंदर व्यवस्था हो चुकी है. अपने अपने स्थानों से बस से यहाँ तक आएंगे, उनको अच्छा खाना दिया जाएगा रास्ते में यहाँ आने के बाद, सब प्रकार की. और उनके लिए बड़ा एक आनंद का विषय है कि वो एक गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड को यहाँ करने आने वाले हैं. तो एक उनकी लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी है. गोवा सरकार ने सारा ये
The director of
इंतजाम किया.
education and director of technical education, so they have made school wise detailed program. तो कौन से स्कूल से कब बच्चे किस समय किस बस से आएंगे, so that this event जैसे गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है और बाकी एग्जीबिशन, बिकॉज many of these events are going to be exclusively for students and मतलब कि the participants who are coming delegates, and some are open to general public. तो जो students portion is we are focusing a lot on that. तो that schedule has already been made. तो स्कूल से डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट हो रहा है, डायरेक्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन is doing that.
बच्चे उसमें सब शामिल हो जाएंगे तो
हाँ.
उनके लिए कोविड प्रोटोकॉल का
तो क्या बोलते हैं डिस्टेंसिंग, ठीक है. एक टाइम पे जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं ना, द हैंगर आप देख ही रहे होंगे परेड ग्राउंड में कितना बड़ा किया, तो एट अ गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी विल मेंटेन दैट डिस्टेंस, ऑल कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स विल बी फॉलोड. तो एंड ओनली जो विलिंग है वो सब देख के, जो हु आर मतलब विलिंग टू कम, and that this is going to happen, all precautions will be taken for that. So that hangar that you are seeing in parade ground, it is so huge because we have to, आपने देखा होगा, तो मतलब कि
अभी बोलते हैं कि 4000 स्टूडेंट एक साथ रहेंगे तो फिर
नहीं 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 4000 नहीं, एक दिन 1000.
हाँ.
यानी 4 दिन में 4000 बच्चे आकर जाएंगे. इस प्रकार की रचना
सब
है.
कुछ टू द मिनट डिटेल्ड है, क्योंकि क्या कहते हैं बहुत मूवमेंट भी होगा, वेहिकुलर मूवमेंट भी होगा, ये सब भी होगा. तो कौन से स्कूल से कौन सा बस आएगा, तो उस समय कितने होंगे, तो इट विल बी फेस्ड आउट सो दैट वो रिकॉर्ड बन जाए. इवन जो क्या है, बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड एंड सच प्रिकॉशंस, एज जैनजी सेड, मेजॉरिटी इज वर्चुअल. सो बट इवन देन वी हैव टू, बिकॉज वी हैव टू मेक द फैसिलिटीज. तो हमने इसलिए इतने ग्रैंड स्केल में किया है ताकि दे कैन बी अकोमोडेटेड विदाउट वायलेटिंग एनी कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस, एनीथिंग?
आउट ऑफ स्टेट से कोई आ रहे हैं, मतलब बच्चे आ रहे हैं?
बच्चे नहीं आ रहे. इस साल हमने ये सारा कार्यक्रम गोवा के बच्चों के लिए ही किया है, क्योंकि इस कोरोना के दौरान आना
मतलब बहुत ज्यादा
संभव नहीं.
मूवमेंट. अदरवाइज दिस इज, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, ये हर जगह हर साल अलग अलग लोकेशंस में हो रहा है. काफी मैच्योर हुआ है, लोग आते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा डेलीगेट्स भी बाहर
First
से
time
आते हैं.
happening in Goa.
दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम इट इज हैपनिंग. 10 to 13, so it will be
कवरेज के लिए क्या इंतजाम किए कि हमें कवर करने के लिए कोई दिक्कत आएगी?
नहीं. So what we will, नहीं जो अभी recent I know, तो we will be issuing. So मैंने बात भी की है, तो DIP के थ्रू we will get the list those who are interested to cover, then we can issue through the event management agency. आपको हम प्रेस कार्ड और वो दे देंगे. There is no such, ये जो आपका कंसर्न है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You are free to cover. Okay. Yes. Thank you.